What's up, guys? Do you have bad credit but need quick cash? Well, in today's video, guys, we're going to teach you how you can get up to $50,000 even with bad credit, guys. We have 6 institutions that's going to give you the bag. Guys, we're going to teach you step by step on how you can fill out the process, go to the website, the qualifications, and they tailor to bad credit. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and this is my lovely co-host, Miss Tina Talks Credit. Welcome back to the channel, Miss Tina. Guys, in today's video, we have a legit banger, like I said in the intro, because we're going to help you guys get a load of cash loans with bad credit. I know that the economy is in one of the most toughest places it's been in the most recent years, and today we're going to give you access institutions with bad credit. Whether you have bad credit, low credit, mid credit, good credit, these loans options will be suitable for you. So let's dive straight in. We have a lot to unpack today. I'm gonna share my screen. Miss Tina is going to go over 3 different institutions, and then I'm going to go over 3 different institutions, and we're going to show you exactly how to get the bag. You guys ready? All right, go ahead, Miss Tina.
All right, guys. So here is Wells Fargo. Fast funding, digital convenience, and wider accessibility, even with fair credit. So guys, Wells Fargo, if you have been an existing client of theirs for 12 months or above, they will extend loans to you up to $100,000. Now, guys, I've seen people with credit scores of around 580-ish or so get approved for this. Now, as long as you don't have any open collections on your credit report, you're pretty much good. And I'm not talking about charge-offs. They've done charge-offs for, but collections. So with Wells Fargo now, you're going to get same-day approving and funding in many cases. So literally within the hour or two, your money could be directly in your Wells Fargo checking account. Okay. So this is good for like home repairs, medical bills, you know, whatever it is that you want to use for this, but it's good to have a relationship with a bank like Wells Fargo so you can get the money and get it fast when you need it. So talk about an emergency loan like Wells Fargo. They like, and I know what people say about Wells Fargo, I get it, but when it comes to that emergency funding and getting that money into your account fast, I literally vouch for them. Okay. And their interest rates are not bad at all. And guys, right now, Wells Fargo, they have some of the best interest rates for what is going on right now, guys. So if you are an existing Wells Fargo client, check them out, guys. I promise you, if your scores aren't totally trash, they will give you that emergency money.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Did you have anything else to say about Wells Fargo, sis?
No, I'm good on Wells Fargo. I'm just so excited to get to this next one because this next one is going to be even better.
Okay, awesome. All right, so while you bringing up your next slide, I want to give you guys an incentive. So like she said, if you don't have any open collections, you're basically assuring for the loan. But if you do have any open collections, guys, go to creditapprove.com, handle all of your disputes. You can use a plethora of the videos that I have on my YouTube channel. Use the software. It's the most affordable and the easiest and the fastest way to get collections removed. Now, you do not want or don't have time to do it yourself, guys, go to Tina Talks Credit YouTube channel, follow her prompts in her descriptions, and go to her website and have her team handle your collections, guys. She is one of the best, if not the best, credit specialists in the country. That's why she's on the channel. And guys, you will not be sad. And then you can circle right back and get the bag with Wells Fargo. I definitely want to add that. All right, you can bring your second screen up, sis.
So guys, now this next one, I'm super excited to present to you. It is Avant. Now, I'm excited about this one because if your scores are on the lower end and you have like some stuff there, even a bankruptcy, this is going to be the place for you to get your emergency loan funds. Now, so Avant works with lower credit scores, guys, and the loan range is from around $2,000 to $35,000. Now, the APR can be high on this one. As you know, all lower score loans, the APRs are going to be higher, but that's just kind of what you have to deal with when your credit scores are lower. But funds can be delivered by the next business day into your account, okay? And that's what I'm talking about. Now, if you have lower scores and you want to go ahead and apply for Avant, it's going to be a soft pull pre-approval. So you don't have to worry if you apply and let's say you do get denied. There's not going to be any hard pull. If you get approved, there will be a hard pull. But hey, we'll take the hard pull if we can get approved. Just work out 24-hour inquiry removal system and get that off. Now, yeah, exactly. So this is great, guys. So, and honestly, you don't have to have an account with them. They're not a bank, they just give loans. So, and the reason why it may take up to 24 hours for you to get the money is because they are not like, they don't have checking and savings accounts. They have to deposit the money. So, and I will tell you this, guys, now I've seen credit scores literally like at 512 with a thin credit file get approved for this. They're going to want to see income verification. So make sure that you get all of your ducks in a row. You have to have consistent income. That is the main thing that they are looking for. Consistent income and a checking account. And of course, with any funding, they don't want to see any open collections on your credit report. So collections, again, is going to be a problem if you have the third-party collections on your credit report. But Avant is a good one. I mean, I've sent plenty of clients over to use their services. They were happy, of course, high APR with lower scores. But if you have an emergency, that's what you just got to do, guys. So check out Avant, get what you need to get.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
LightStream, guys. This one is by Truist, and everybody knows Truist Bank. People talk about them all the time, especially in the business funding world, because that's where they get that funding. Now, this is for high credit borrowers. You can apply. So this is just basically a perfect example to show how strong credit unlock better terms. All right. So this is ideal for larger needs, home repair, whatever, because they're going to give you the big bucks. Now, you can borrow up to $100,000 unsecured dollars from LightStream by Truist. I can't talk. Same day funding availability requires good to excellent credit. Now, if you have a 680 to 700, that's the minimum requirement there for credit. And of course, you have to show income verification. But this is great. I mean, interest rates are going to be great. The higher your credit score is, the better your credit file is, the better your interest rate is. But LightStream by Truist is for everybody who has decent credit. They're going to this company for funding loans and things of that nature, whether you need it for a home repair or if you just need it for some extra money or to start a business, whatever you're doing. This one is hot right now, guys. So if you have a credit score that's 680 or above, you want to go check them out, guys.
Awesome. So, guys, the next one is not so much a loan, it's more of a payday advance. So if you are in a position where you need some extra cash before your paycheck hit, this is going to be the perfect option. This company is called Earnin, and Earnin is a company, like I said, it is a pre-paycheck loan that basically gives you some money before your paycheck hits. Like I said, sign up in minutes, securely linked, access to your money, get more out of every day. Join millions managing their earnings. And this is a good option where if you, like I said, need some extra cash, you have an emergency, get a flat tire, one of your bills get cut off and you don't get paid till Friday, you can use this to actually just connect your bank account to the platform and the money will automatically be allocated into your bank and allocated out of your bank once you get paid to pay them back, guys. This is a good option. They don't check your credit. There is no credit check. There is no interest. Just link your regular paycheck deposit and repay automatically, guys. This is a really good option. I've seen people use this. Your pay streaming in real time with live pay. Like I've seen people use this multiple times. This is more so for emergency purposes, but it definitely works, guys. So yeah, look out for Earnin. Now the next one is a company that I've talked about in the past. It is a really good company and they do tailor to bad credit individuals. So let me bring that one up. And this company is called Upstart. Upstart is a great company. Like I said, they do have a high APR, just like Miss Tina said. For individuals that have low credit scores, the APR is usually the highest. You have to earn good interest rates, but in this case you could get get access to money that you need. So this company gives up to from $1,000 all the way up to I think $25,000 to $50,000. They have excellent Trustpilot scores, and like I said, they tailor to bad credit scores, guys. This company, I think that they give you the money funded the next day. You can choose your own due date. No, sorry about that. You buy online, ideal for credit scores as low as 580. Typically funds in 24 hours, so they do give you the funds the next day. And guys, like they say, we generally consider it to be below 600, while scores in 600 are considered fair, and 700s are seen desirable as good, and above 800, okay, for personal loans. You have ample opportunity to improve your bad scores by stringing together a few months of good habits. So, like I said, guys, if you have any bad credit on your credit profile, go to creditapprove.com. It is the software that I built. It is less than $50 to get started, and it gives you access to some of the most powerful and legal opportunities for disputes to actually get everything and anything removed. So you have inquiries, bad collections, charge-offs, anything on your credit report, guys, go to creditapprove.com. And like I said before, if you have anything that's on your credit report that you do not have time or want to take care of, go to Tina Talks Credit and sign up with her company, and her team and staff will help you as well. All right, so guys, let's last but not least, we're going to talk about another company. Let me bring my screen up. Now, this company might be probably the most popular company from the entire list of 6, and this company is called Best Egg. Now, Best Egg is a company that also help people and individuals get funding, right? So explore with no impact to your credit score. They don't check your credit. No, they do not impact your credit score. Check your rate in minutes. Funding is little 24 hours. You can choose your own due date. Most loans are funded 24 hours and can be used with debt consolidation, medical emergencies, rent, etc. And the loans amount it ranges between $2,000 all the way up to $50,000, guys. Check out Best Egg, and guys, these are some great options for anyone that's looking for some emergency money and have bad credit. Did you have anything else to say before we get out of here, Miss Tina?
I do. I want to talk about just elaborate a little bit more on Best Egg, because I've been knowing about this company now for probably I think about 5 years, right, guys? And so they started adding more product the bigger that they got. And so of course, like, they do personal loans, they do debt consolidation, credit card refinancing. Get this, guys, they even pay for your vacation. They have like a vacation funding thing that they do. They'll even give you a loan based on the equity in your vehicle. More than that, they have like a rent flex play plan that you can get on. I'm not going to take this video to go into like the ins and outs of it, but go to their website and check them out. Like, if you get paid like funny or whatever, and like you need flex pay for your rent, they do that. It's crazy. Like, they offer some really cool stuff. They have like vacation packages that you can pick out and pay on. Crazy.
That's interesting. That's an interesting loan product, especially the equity in your vehicle.
I know, right? It's like, really?
That's wrong. I like that. All right, guys. If you found any of this information helpful, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to give you 2 seconds to do that. Moment of silence for the like.
Yes.
All right, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section and let us know, have you tried these products? If you have any questions on the video, leave a comment in the comment section. If you want more videos like that, you can type in the comment section, bad credit loans. Bad credit loans give us the indication that we are on the right track for content that you guys like. And we will bring more videos like this, because it is hundreds of institutions that's giving away the bag, even if you have bad credit, guys. All right, so next time, take care of your credit. Take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.
All right.